Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to sublimate these Unisub name badges using a jig. So let's get started. So first we're going to print out our name tags on Beaver TexPrint sublimation papers, and we're printing on a sheet of 11 by 17 paper because of the template size. So let's go over the products we're going to use in this video. We have the Unisub name badges, we have the jig setup, which consists of the metal jig, we have our mat, and under it we have our wooden panel. We also have some finishing sheets here, our printed transfer that we used our Unisub template for, heat gloves, we have a rag, or you can use a towel that has cleaning solution on it, heat tape, and then we have scissors. So next I'm just going to cut our name tags out on this template, and you can find this on Unisub's resource portal online. All you have to do is make an account. It's pretty easy, and then they give you access to any of the templates you need for their products. So we're cutting just along this gray line here. And once this is cut out, this will fit perfectly on our jig. So now we're just going to set up our jig. So first we're just going to have the wood panel on the bottom. Then we're going to place the mat right on top with the black side facing down. Make sure that's even. And then we'll take our metal jig, place it right on top, and we also want to make sure that's lined up correctly. And once you've got that in place, you're going to use some heat tape to secure it down. So next we're going to take our name badges and we're going to place them into our jig, and there is one side that is glossier. That's going to be your sublimation side. I've already went ahead and filled my jig up with the name badges, and next we're just going to clean these with the cleaning solution. We recommend doing this so that it can remove any extra dirt or oil. Now it's time to place our transfers onto the name badges. So we'll take the transfer sheet and we'll just kind of line it up. Make sure that all of the names look like they're in the middle of the name badges. Then once you have that set up, you'll also secure it in place with some heat tape. So now we're moving on over to our heat press. I have it set for 400 degrees for 65 seconds. I'm going to place a finishing sheet on the bottom platen. Then I'll take the jig and I'll just place it right in the center. We'll cover it with another finishing sheet right on top, and then we'll send it under. So now we're going to take our jig out of the heat press and remove the top finishing sheet. We recommend wearing some heat-resistant gloves so that you don't burn yourself, and then we're just going to move this over to the side so that it can cool down. So now that it's cooled off, I'll go ahead and remove the tape here. And we have our finished name badges. So one of the great things about this Unisub jig is that you're able to make 20 name badges all at once. Now imagine trying to tape each transfer to all 20 of these and make them individually. It'll take a lot of time. So with this jig, we're able to reduce our time and maximize our profits. Now these name tags don't come with a pin or a magnet for the back, but you can order these online in bulk. But you can find any of the other products we use in this video on ColemanandCompany.com. Thanks for watching.